Hey Heather, hey Kimberly. My name's Doreen, and I am doing this recording to tell you what the top three things that make me roll my eyes in the morning are. To start off the list, probably the first thing that'll make me roll my eyes in the morning is when I get into the washroom and I find that whoever used the washroom last didn't replace the empty toilet paper roll. Yes, it is one of my pet peeves for sure. And in a house full of boys, let me tell you, that happens a lot. The next thing that'll probably make me roll my eyes is coming down the stairs or coming through the hallway. Oftentimes, with three cats in the house, I'll end up finding a mess somewhere along the line. You know, you can brush those cats and feed them the Hairball Remedy food, but somehow they still manage to do it. So that mess to clean up first thing in the morning is another one of the things that'll make me roll my eyes. And probably one of the third things that'll make me roll my eyes in the morning is getting downstairs and finding somebody's cup or dinner plate still left out on the table or over on their computer desk instead of having been put in the dishwasher when they were done with it. And but other than that, I actually have a pretty easygoing morning. So thanks for doing these videos. I'm really appreciating watching them. I'm enjoying them, and I look forward to hearing more. Oh, and Heather, I totally hear you on the naturally curly hair thing. Have fun. See you soon. Bye.